Picture yourself in the 2013 Nissan Altima. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, alarm, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.